Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn subject English of standard 7 English workshop page number 58. Question number 4. Google the information about any 5 Indian scientists using the following points. Arrange it in a tabular form. It is name, place of birth, discovery or invention, awards and honors. Name of the scientists: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Place of birth: Rameshwaram, State Tamil Nadu, country India. Kalam's invention: Kalam was invited by Rajaraman to witness the country's first nuclear test, smelling Buddha as the representative of TBRL. Another invention: he was the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle, that is SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in near Earth orbit in July 1980. Awards: the government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan. Another awards: Kalam received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, for his contribution to the scientific research and modernization. We will learn how to find out the information from Google. To open the information from the Google, click on Google. In the search box, types Indian scientist and go. On the Google there are various websites. First is wikipedia.org. Click on that. Then you find list of Indian scientists with all initials alphabets A, B, C, D. B is there. Then if you go downwards, C Mohan, D. List of scientists with name, all the alphabets you can find on Wikipedia. There you just click on the names and you get all the information regarding all the scientists. So here I will type scientist from Maharashtra. Just enter or go. Here we find the name of the scientist from Maharashtra. First name is Vijay P. Bhatkar. Category scientist from Maharashtra. Then Preeti Patkar, Leela Gandhi, Jayant Narlikar, many other peoples are a scientist. Here I will click Jayant Narlikar. Then I find here details information about the scientist Jayant Narlikar. Full name Jayant Vishnu Narlikar, born on 19 July. In his early life 1938 born. His father name Vishnu Vasudev Narlikar. All details regarding that scientist you will find here. You have to read out and point out main points that we need to answer this question. His career: Narlikar completed his school education from Central School. You just go through the page down, you will find detailed information about Jayant Narlikar. Everything you will get there. You may make project regarding these points of the scientists. You may copy the information in your mobile. You can take printout of the photographs and make your project about scientist information. Every detail about that scientist you will find here. what he has written in Marathi, Antarati Basmasur, and other personal information like is given on that particular website. So you just go through the information, whatever you need, copy it in your notebook. I'll go back. Here I found other scientist name. Lots of scientists you will get here. You click on the particular scientist and get that information. Then you find various information. I will search for Vijay Bhatkar. Here we get his name, Vijay Pandurang Bhatkar. Then we have photograph of the scientist Vijay Bhatkar. Then we get the career information. He is from Mumbai. Muramba. Then we get information about his awards: Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Maharashtra Bhushan. Wherever you put cursor on blue colors, you will get the detailed information about that point on one click. His recognition, that is awards: Padma Bhushan, Ramanujan Trust Award. Details about the awards we have here. You just copy it or read it and make your own book or make your own project. Now I will search for another site, and here we get videos of the Indian scientists, other top modern Indian scientists also. Indian scientists whose work were good. So on searching the Google page, you will find details of the scientist. You just go through that site particularly and write the information in tabular form as per our question. In this way you can find your answer, and also you will get more information about Indian scientists for your own information. I have clicked on famous scientist organization website, 15 famous Indian scientists. Here we get the names of scientists as well as their photographs. If you want to make collection of this photograph, you just click on the photograph. You may download it for free of cost and take printout or Xerox from the Xerox center and stamp it in your notebook. It will be a good project for you, that you will get all information about every scientist, their name, their photograph, their education, their invention, and all other things you will get in detail on Google. So in this way you be ready to collect the information from Google. Whatever you need to search out, just type that word in Google and you will get everything, every details about that particular word. Here we have find out details about scientists, list of Indian scientists. In the simple wikipedia.org you will find in short column name, field, everything. You will get photograph, the name up here. In this way you have to write the information about at least 5 scientists. You will get lot of information about scientists, but just make the columns and write the information as shown in the screen. Okay boys, thanks for watching. If you have any problem, ask your teacher. Thank you.